Alright, so, yet again, have a migraine. But, there's not really much I can do but wait it out and just hope it goes away. So I took some Excedrin, I ate, I had some fruits and vegetables, done everything I could. I didn't drink coffee, but I mean, it's just like, that's just extra because the Excedrin has caffeine. But, anyhow, today, or this part of today, I'm going to be changing. Oh, that was actually pretty easy. What the hell? Man, I don't even know. Hopefully this comes off pretty easily, because that's just like, no. Okay, I mean, that should be good enough to at least test it, but I'm pretty sure these aren't even gonna fit because they need like some sort of, yeah, if it's bigger, it's gonna look better. And granted, I just got these because they're temporary and they were 10 bucks. This goes like right there, boom, and it just sticks down. Whoa. I don't even remember if it's like this or if it goes in that. Oh yeah, it's like this. Okay. Yeah, but anyhow, that's basically it. But yeah, I guess I have to like put some sort of like stuff because it doesn't stick in there like that. Let me check the other one. I'm pretty sure they're the same, but you know, yeah, they're the same. Same thing. Neither of them have a big enough sticky thing. So like, I don't know what I'll use to keep them in, but I'm pretty sure I'll think of something. Okay, so this one has the gaskets on it, so this one will work for the back. Okay, yeah, see? Yeah, this one will work for the back. The hood doesn't... Man, that means I could have taken the one off the hood that I had before. Oh, well, I mean, I guess I'll be able to find some type of, like, solution. If I knew, I would have, what do you call it, just got more. Or I'll actually check the packet and see if they came with it, but I'm pretty sure it did not. So, for now, I'll just pop that there. It goes. It's a little loose, so I may put some 3M tape behind it. But, yeah. Alright, so I ended up popping out these little rubber gaskets. And I dropped one of them, so I have to find it. Yeah, typical of me. So what I'm probably going to try to do is use the original one that came off this trunk and just like put the new BMW logo sticker thingy over it. If not, I'll just get new rubber gasket, rubber thingy majiggies. And for now, it does look as if the tire went down a bit, so I'm going to test this and see if it works and stops the leak. If not, I'm just gonna say screw it and order 4 new tires, 205/35s for the front, and I don't know, I may just go with these again because the fronts One of them is backwards because they're rotational, and the person who originally had them ran one of them backwards, so it wore down. So I'm gonna need tires anyway. Granted, these were only temporary, but they were supposed to be temporary in the sense that I could actually use them. So there's that. Okay, so I can't find a little rubber thingy, and I just thought of something. You know, I'm sitting here wondering, looking if I can visually see the tire pressure go down. Whole time I forgot that I bought this, which is literally the whole, like, I'm really a buffoon. So what I'm going to do is attempt to set this thing up, and I'll leave a link in the description. And I'm not even going to bother with like a setup video, a tutorial, because there's like 1,000 videos of it. So I'm just going to put it on and try it and see how it goes. Also, I don't remember if I recorded this or not, but I bought another set of headlights. These are glass depot. I believe these are depot. Are they depot? Let's see. They're, Jesus Christ. Yes, they are glass depot headlights with halos. They're old halos and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is restore these and test out something that I found online. That video will be coming, like, I don't know when, because it's not really like a rush, but I'm just gonna test it just to see. But yeah. And again, the UPS/Amazon guy came with perfect timing again, because I'm literally outside just doing little things around so I could prepare to use this. So I will be testing the tire pressure monitor thingy and these. So yeah. Okay, so another thing I forgot I had was these, like, because I legitimately have things all around my house from the other E36. So I actually really like the look of it. I'm trying to see if I could get you guys an angle. So yeah, like, you guys see that? It's pretty aggressive looking. And then for the front, it's going to be kind of like that. See? You guys see what I'm getting at? But yeah, I just figured out that if I'm going to use this, I'm going to have to run the fat lip anyway, because this one is just not big enough and it's going to look kind of weird. So yeah, I'm just going to most likely order a fat lip for the E36 and then run this, because I have these side skirts anyway, and it's like, why spend extra money when I could just use what I have? And it does look pretty sick, like, if you guys could just like imagine it just on the car. So that's sorted. I have a front splitter, side splitters, and I already have like the M rear diffuser, just like this part. So I'm most likely going to try and make like a lower rear diffuser, like a fancy wide style one, or like the 240SX Rocket Bunny one, like the V, I believe it's V1, with like the like cool side thingies, and then the little thingy in the middle with the double tray, and then the little uppy downy thingies like right here that like look like they mount to a wing. I'm most likely gonna do that. And oh my god, this car looks thick. Hold on. Ooh, you see the meat? God damn. That looks nice. That's one thing that I am glad I'm staying stock body for now, because this is just a really good look. Like, you guys know I'm a bag and wide body everything. This is still getting bagged. I don't know if I'm gonna do it this weekend or what, but it's gonna happen soon. But yeah, you guys see it. Okay, so of course the rear right, as we were looking at, is low, but I'm not sure if it's leaking. And so what I'm going to do is just put it up to the optimal level between like 31 and 33 where the rest of them are, and then I'll check on it like tomorrow or something. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, so I filled it up now. It's at 32. That's good. So I just have to, you know, let that thing charge. And yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna put it in the car. I may just put it like in that little like cubby down there, like that thing. But besides that, I mean, it's all I really can do. I'm just, before I switch the spacers, which are in the box that I just got, whatever, but before I do the spacers, I'm just gonna wait until I get the tires and then do them both at one time, because it's like, it doesn't really make sense to take these off, put the spacer on, and then put these back on, then go get the tire done, and then put them back on again, when I just have to see if the spacer is gonna work with the tire to begin with. Might as well just do them at once. So I'm gonna save myself a step and wait. Instead of wasting time, I'm just gonna get to cleaning some of this stuff up because it's absolutely deplorable. So there's that. Okay, so a lot of E36 people have the issue with the door thingy getting stuck, and literally, I'm pretty sure, I don't know if this is like how you actually fix it or if this is just temporary, but literally the door wasn't working before, and I literally just, well, hold on, you'll see. Well, yeah, as you can see, it did that. And it was doing this. So literally, I just put my finger in there, did this, and it started to work. Let's see if it closes this time. I don't remember. It, like, I don't know. I don't know, but I guess. Alright, so this is when being a hoarder comes in handy, because I did not have the turn signal socket, and I literally just ordered one from BMW. I was looking in my shed, lo and behold, I found one. So we're all set with that. Perfect. So now I don't have to spend any extra money, but I'm still gonna get it anyway, just cause. And then I also just ordered a OBD1 scanner. Even though I have one, I just don't know where it is. But yeah,